Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this January 11th, 2026. I hope everybody had a great Sunday out there so far, but it's a great Sunday evening. And everybody can stay safe and well, and also enjoy the weather. Got the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be taking a look at the storm system here moving across the country. And we're going to take a look at your local forecast included as well, the current watch and warning advisory map. Also take a look at the rainfall totals as well across the lower 48. Over the next 7 days, and also we're going to take a look at the Storm Prediction Center to see if there's any severe weather in your forecast. I will unpack all of this here starting right now. But if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Also like the video, share the videos, and let's continue to get the show on the road there, folks. And we're going to start off with your satellite imagery and loop across the lower 48. We got one storm system here move across Mexico into Texas. Then we got another system over here in Utah to Colorado. Another storm system here moving into the Pacific Northwest, also southwestern Canada, across Washington, Oregon, Idaho, Montana, toward Wyoming, through the Dakotas. Got another system here moving across the Great Lakes region around Michigan, northern Michigan, Lake Huron, Lake Superior. And you can see a system over here around New Brunswick, Newfoundland, and also Maine, and also southeast Canada will continue to pull away from the region. Alrighty, elsewhere, high pressure is in charge right now as we see where there's no precipitation falling at this time. Alright, now we're going to move on to your local forecast now, and it should roll out something like this here. We're going to take a look at your Monday outlook. And here is your Monday outlook so far. We got some mixed precipitation showers down here across Texas and New Mexico, and also across the state of Mexico. Got thunderstorms and showers in western portion of Washington State, northwestern Oregon. You got some mixed precipitation in Washington State, across northern Idaho into Montana, right on the Canadian-U.S. border. Got some freezing rain up here in portion of Minnesota, Wisconsin, also South Canada. Got mixed precipitation there as well, stretching from northeast North Dakota through Montana, Lake Huron, Lake Superior, northern Michigan. For mixed precipitation, then we got snow flying from northern Pennsylvania to New York State and Maine, southeast Canada, around Ottawa and Toronto, Canada. Even got some thunderstorms and showers across the east coast of Florida as well. Otherwise, big dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Monday. Alright, let's move on to your Tuesday forecast now, and it should roll out something like this here. We're still waiting for it to load up the information across the board. And as you can see, we got a little bit of shower activity across southwestern Canada, mixed precipitation across Washington State, Montana, just a few pockets there, also in Wyoming, South Dakota, more numerous across Minnesota to Wisconsin, down toward Michigan, Lake Huron, Lake Superior, down toward Kentucky, Indiana, Ohio to Pennsylvania, to New York State, to Maine and Brunswick, Ottawa and Toronto, Canada. Got some freezing rain also in portion of Wisconsin to Michigan, over toward areas of southeast Canada. Also more in portion of Vermont, New Hampshire, Maine areas as well. Shower activity down across Mexico State and the Texas, southern Texas to Louisiana, to southern Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, northern Florida, Florida Panhandle. Thunderstorms and showers for central and south Florida toward the Florida Keys and Atlantic coastal waters. Otherwise, big dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Tuesday. Alright, let's move on to the current watches warning advisory map. You're located across the nation, and it should roll out like this here. Here should pop up here. Here we go. Alright, we got some winter storm warning, winter weather advisory from Maine. Got more winter weather advisory from western New York State, portion of Pennsylvania, southern Pennsylvania, West Virginia. Wind advisory is also in effect for portion of Massachusetts, portion of New York State, Pennsylvania, West Virginia, portion of Virginia, northwestern North Carolina. Even got some freeze warnings in one county with a watch down across southeast Georgia. Still got the river flood warnings down here across Mississippi and portion of Louisiana. Got some high wind warnings over Montana, and also got some air quality alerts for you guys here in areas of Idaho and also Oregon State. Hydro issues northwestern Washington State. Freezing fog advisories are in effect for southwestern Oregon, and also got some more dense fog advisories down here for portions of central California. Wind advisory to the south and west. Cold weather advisories inland as well. Alright, we got small craft advisory, gale warning from Maine to the east coast of Florida, west coast of Florida, from the Florida Keys back to southeast Texas, southern California, Washington State, around the Hawaiian chain island. Got some high surf warnings there as well. Also got some to the southwest in Alaska. Also got freezing spray warnings in the blue. Inland areas we have winter weather advisory, special weather statements and blizzard warning, and some cold weather advisories there as well. Alright, let's move on to the Storm Prediction Center outlook. We should roll out something like this. No, is there any severe weather in the forecast? No thunderstorms are forecast over the next 2 days anywhere across the board, so we're in good shape there. Alright, rainfall totals over the next 7 days rolls out like this here. You can see the heavy precipitation in the Atlantic coastal waters down toward Cuba, a little bit in the Gulf, also across Mexico, also in a little bit of portion of West Virginia. That's probably snow melt, where snow's been falling, probably some snow melt in that area. Also some across Maine, southwestern Canada, portion of Oregon State. Elsewhere looks no precipitation to maybe a tenth to a quarter of an inch elsewhere across the board, which is in fact not much precipitation anywhere across the United States during the next 7 days. So it looks to be dry across much of the lower 48. So not expecting any precipitation, heavy amounts that is, to cause any flooding anywhere across the lower 48 at this time. So right now it looks quiet. Alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. Like the video, share the video. We'll catch you back in the next one. Have a wonderful Sunday evening, folks. Take care and also enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got.